Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's my wash day and I'm going to be washing out my mini twists in the best possible way to avoid frizz and just make them as juicy and curly as possible. So if you want to watch all that process, kindly make sure you watch to the very end. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video if you do enjoy it, and also make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my wash day routine. So first I begin by unraveling my mini twists from these cornrows that I had put them in. And guys, my scalp is so very much dry, but we'll work on that. After a long while now we are done, and this is it. Just see how much they are all dried up and kind of tangled with all the product build up at the roots. See all that mess, but at least I have some growth. That's a plus. So after the TLC, I've just spritzed a little bit of water. It's now time for my shampooing process. And guys, you all know my holy grail by now. It's the Dudu-Osun black soap. I love this soap because it's so natural. It cleanses and soothes my scalp so very much. And this is the amount that I have remaining, guys, because I use it so very much. I use it a lot. This is the only kipande that is remaining, and I'm just going to use this last one, and I'll come back after my shampooing process. So here I've already washed my hair, feeling so pretty and cute in this hair wrap. Anyways, so this is my hair after washing. I think my scalp is so very cleansed and everything, but the product buildup is still there at the roots. I don't really mind because it's not such a big deal to me, and my hair is in mini twists, so not everything will come out. So guys, one thing I want to experiment is using a cholesterol treatment on my hair while in mini twists. I've used this treatment while my hair was unraveled and the results were so great. My hair felt so soft. I don't know how it will react to my hair in the mini twist, but this is something I'm willing to experiment. I hope it all turns out great. After applying the treatment to all my hair strands, I'll just go ahead and wrap my hair with this plastic cap. You can also use a shower cap or anything if you have at hand. So I'm just going to do that and allow the product sit in my hair for like 15 minutes, then I'm going to rinse it off. Guys, I am back and let me just show you the final result. I so love this. My hair feels so smooth and everything, and trust me, I have little to no frizz except for the roots, the growth of my hair. That's where the frizz are, but along the strands there are minimal frizz, guys, and I just love this product. I think the treatment did some justice to my hair. So to lock in the moisture, I'm going to use the LCO method, and I'll use my Micolor leave-in treatment as my cream. And guys, I so love this product. It just works amazingly. So for my oil, I'll go in with my avocado oil pomade, and as you can see, it's almost over. Like, I've used it a lot. I've used it so much, and guys, I can swear to this product, it works like magic on my hair. That's the main reason as to why I love it. So I'm just going to ensure that I coat each and every strand of my hair with the avocado oil pomade and just lock in the good moisture in my hair. After doing that to my hair strands, I'll go in with my sulfur 8 oil to oil my scalp, and that will be it for the wash day, and I'll be good to go. So guys, we've come to the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, kindly make sure you give me thumbs up. Also drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you use mini twists as your protective styles, what's your wash day routine like, and everything. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upload from the pretty Miss Archibella. Thanks for watching up to this end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye loves.